Hello kids, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to learn ABCD. Let's start. Dark green color, purple color, grey color, orange color, pink color, black color, light green color and neon color. Let's start. Pink color, pink color, pink color. A. A for apple. A for apple. B for boy. B for boy. C for cat. D for dog. E for egg. For fish. G for girl. H for home. I for eyes. J for jug. A for apple, A-P-P-L-E, apple. B for boy, B-O-Y, boy. C for cat, C-A-T, cat. D for dog, D-O-G, dog. E for egg, E-G-G, egg. F for fish, F-I-S-H, fish. G for girl, G-I-R-L, girl. H for home, H-O-M-E, home. I for eyes, I-C-E, eyes. J for jug, J-U-G, jug. So kids, we learned today ABCD. So kids, hope you like my video. So please don't forget like, share and subscribe my channel. We will see you next video with new topic. Till then, bye.